5 grand more than all the other dealers that I've spoken to. It seems too good to be true here. I'm like, and you don't want to waste your time either.
Rome's had a few sherbets. What are you going to do?
Whee! Come on, boys! Let's get 10 kids in these 3 motorhomes.
Have you heard what's going on with the cars?
What's going on with the cars?
How about if I said to you, nice van there.
Hang on a minute. Have you sold that already? I'm stood here with you now. Have you just sold that?
It's sold. More van, it's sold.
Right?
Well, I'll let you know if it's sold in 21 days.
What do you mean? What are you on about?
Well, it's sold, but I'll let you know if it's sold in 21 days.
That's not going to work, is it?
What do you mean? What's this?
Well, it's no good for you. How's that any good for you?
Autotrader have changed something on how cars are sold now on their platform. They're the biggest platform we use. They're probably widely renowned, aren't they? Remember from the books?
Yeah. Caravans, motorhomes, tractors,
yeah.
Commercial
vehicles. You had to
vehicles.
take your photographs, didn't you? No, they came up to you and took the photographs, didn't they?
I think in the olden days, they were on about, they started to work on a platform where they come and do 360 videos, and it seemed great, and they never did it. Going off on a tangent again now.
That Autotrader,
Autotrader, that was, yeah, yeah. There was coming up with different ideas, and that idea seemed quite good. But this new idea.
So the new idea with Autotrader now is it hasn't hit us, caravans and motorhomes, hasn't hit us, but it's with the cars. It's called, is it the Deal Builder?
Deal Builder.
Deal Builder. So you can go onto Autotrader or Autotrail. No, they don't do Autotrail, but Autotrader, you can go through, look at the cars, and guess what? You can reserve your car.
£95, is it?
£99.
99.
£99, you can reserve it. So then you'll get the email, the company will.
Take it off sale.
It's reserved. No, it stays on sale because you're still paying for it. Stays on, but it says reserved.
So, but can you now sell that? Somebody else?
No.
So, it's off sale, isn't it?
No. Well, it's still on there, you're paying for the advertising.
Well, yeah.
So,
but you, what I mean is now it's off sale for you as well, and you can't sell that now, can you?
No. Can in 21 days. So the buyer, the seller, the buyer, take it easy.
One of us. So basically the dealer now is stuck with this caravan, motorhome, car. It's not hit us yet, as we say.
No.
But this vehicle now is reserved. So the buyer, for £99, has reserved that vehicle for 21 days.
Yes.
Now I might not turn up till about 21 days.
But we're not going to use cars, we're going to use it as if it comes into motorhomes and caravans. The person who reserved it has a Part X. Yeah, he has a Part X. So Autotrader will price the vehicle up for him. So he will put his details in of what the vehicle is and everything else, and guess what? Autotrail.
Autotrail.
Autotrader. Autotrader.
It's gone. That's it.
So Autotrader will give them an automatic valuation on that vehicle that they feel is about right.
That's what they feel.
Well,
So now they've sold your van for you. Hypothesis that we're doing it in motorhome. They've sold your van for you, Mark.
Yeah.
They've also given you Part X for it as well. And you know what? They can't afford the amount, they'll sort the finance out as well.
Sounds good.
Sounds brilliant, doesn't it?
Sounds great for the buyer.
Yeah. Now this buyer has also reserved 3 vans. Okay.
In different locations.
No, he's done all 3 of your vans. Well, I'll do it, so I'll take all his vans off the market. But he's all 3. You've got a Part X value as well. You've got the finance sorted. Yeah. You excited?
I'm with you.
Yeah.
I'm with you.
He's now cancelled 2 of them. He says I'm having that.
And is this after 21 days or?
On 20 days, because I mean, the wife needed to just add another look and everything else.
Look at all 3 of them.
Yeah,
so,
just wanted to be sure and all this. So, 21st day, they've come along to buy the van. Yeah, they've brought the Part X. What's wrong with that, Mark?
Lots of things. So, how many times can you value a motorhome? Say it's a motorhome and part exchange, and I value a motorhome. Our prices might not be the same, have they?
No. No.
So I might think, oh, that's a brilliant seller, but you might think
it's not. Strangely enough, he might sell more 2 berths, but I might struggle at 2 berths. Or you might sell more 4 berths, but I struggle at 4 berths. Or a typical motorhome, you just don't like them.
Yeah.
He's had a bad experience with them. Or you could be busy, need to stock, or could be not.
Or I've already got 2 of them and I don't really want another one.
So you can see how flies
Right,
fluctuate
yeah.
with Autotrader.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we can see how prices do fluctuate. So your Part X is here.
No, I don't really want that.
Why?
Because that's not really got quite like. And actually, there's fag holes all in the upholstery.
Wheels
Big
aren't very
dent.
good either.
No, the tyres are all out of date. It's rattling its head off.
Exactly. Cam belt needs doing.
Yeah.
Well, he's put very good condition.
Problem is, my very good and your very good are 2 different things, aren't they?
Okay. So now, from a price that's been given, an independent price, we're now getting into a bit of an argument because I want my 25 grand mark.
You said I was going to get 25 grand. I've got the finance sorted on that.
Exactly.
I can only afford that. Then I've got 5 grand to swap. I can't afford any more.
It sounds good in principle. Autotrader doing all the
Leg
bits,
work for
legs
you,
bit
yeah,
and everything else.
yeah.
But just like anything else, we're old school. Not even new school. A customer comes up, we like to get to them and talk to them. We like to know about what their van is. How many vans have you had where you give a price over the phone? And let's face it, we don't want to give a price of 10 grand on the phone and then go, right, let's knock them down. We just don't want the hassle. There's your 10 grand, done. But the problem is, how many times has someone brought a van up and it was like, whoa, you didn't mention
Completely different, yeah. Back end's falling off. Engine's rattling. We need 4 new tyres. We've got a grand just in tyres, and
Exactly.
so it's not. You can't just go off just an automated price,
No.
can you? I think.
I've had an habitation check done
When was that?
last week.
By who? So yeah, there's too many variables, isn't it? And with the car trade, it's gone down like a lead balloon, hasn't it? Because on paper it works, but in reality, that man has now turned up 21 days later. Oh, actually, I don't like it. Oh, yeah, I'm not so happy about that.
But Autotrader's saying it's good for the customer.
But the dealer is the customer.
Exactly, not the customer who is the customer. The customer, the
The
dealer
dealer.
is the customer.
For Autotrader, yeah.
Now we don't know if it's going to happen in the motorhomes and the caravans. I think it won't do because motorhomes, you cannot really price them. Everything's different. You can have 2 motorhomes next to one another. One could be automatic.
It's
one
not
could
like
have
the
this.
cars as well, when there's 50 of those going through an auction every day and there's a cap value for that because there's so many going through. We've got a high and we've got a low price.
Yeah.
It's not like that on motorhomes, is there? There's not the amount that are out there. Same with the caravans. And we spoke about it on our last video about the the Glasses Guide valuation went out the window. New valuations come in. There's quite a lot of variation in the prices.
Yeah.
So it's not as easy for them. And I think with the car trade, they've all basically turned around and gone, I'll tell you what, we're either going to put our package on basic, so
Yeah.
we're not going to have the deal builder, we don't want it, or we're just cancelling completely. And I think that would happen exactly the same with the caravans and the motorhomes if
Are
they
you
tried to do
aware how
that.
much it costs for a car
I
dealer?
know, yeah. It's bad enough for the caravans and the motorhomes, but it's probably 10 times more
And the rest.
for a car, yeah.
And listening to some of the blogs, look, I can only go what they said on the blogs. The typical package is anywhere to about 170 to 200 pound a car. You got 10 cars, that's 2 grand a month. But they all say with Autotrader, what they do offer and everything they do is really, really good. But the other side as well is on the cars, you do get above market and below market. So if you did that with motorhomes and they said this was above market, but hang on, this has got solar on, this has got Wi-Fi on, this has got levelling kit on, this has got
Lithium
that.
batteries in there.
Yeah.
And
The other one that's below market value has only got 1 month's MOT, as the heater's not working.
And that can be the same with the car, isn't it? And I think that's why everyone's so up in arms. And you can have had something in and you're going, I'm never going to touch one of those again. That to me is worth 10 grand less than everybody else.
Yes.
So it's just not really. We're siding on the car dealers here, aren't we? Really, is what
I
we're
think
getting
we
at.
are,
I think
yeah, we are. We're going
it's
to
not.
yeah.
It's not sort of. I don't think it's worked out like.
Because if it
Autotrader
works,
will.
it's going to happen to us.
yeah. And
Autotrader won't be happy at all.
No,
Autotrader will.
Autotrader are going to be really disappointed. So yeah, it just doesn't make sense, does it? I
No,
think.
no.
So hopefully, it's not going to come onto the caravans and the motorhomes. And
Could you imagine all of a sudden overnight, how many stock you've got? 40, 50?
Yeah.
Let's say 50.
yeah,
and then
half of that gets reserved.
gets reserved.
21 days.
Yeah.
Just lost half of our stock, and Harry from down the road is come back to
Well,
day
look
to
at it
see
this
it.
way, right? You're across the road from me. I'll look at all your stock and go, I'll reserve that one,
Yeah.
because they're same as me.
Yeah.
So then I've got 21 days at my own stock. There's the one. You've also got Mark at night after a motorhome. He's had a few sherbets. What are you going to do?
Whee! Come on, boys! Let's get the 10 kids in there, 3 motorhomes.
Autotrader.
The Autotrader. So
Good
yeah,
job that was you 2 birds.
that's
isn't
the
it?
problem. And then he wakes up. He wakes up
Yeah.
3 weeks later, and his missus goes mad and says, "You're not having that. Get your money back."
Yeah. Because we all know women buy motorhomes and caravans, so it's not going to be the right one that he books anyway.
No.
To be honest.
Yeah, it's true, isn't it? It's
Let
sort
us
of-
know in the comments, and both sets of comments, what you think of this, because I don't know if you're aware about this with Autotrader.
Autotrader. So anyway, Jason's off for another drink.
It's just stuck.
It's in
Just
there,
stuck
that's
in the
it,
head,
once it's in there.
So let us know what you think of this. Will do you think it'll happen in the motorhome market?
For the customer, not for the dealer, the customer of Autotrader, but for the customer that's going to buy, does that sound good to you? Or would you rather have spoke to the dealer properly and gone, right, that's exactly what they're going to offer me, and not be sort of going, oh yeah, this seems brilliant, that's £5 more than all the other dealers that I've spoken to have said.
Yeah.
So obviously, surely as a customer, if that's what you've got in your back of your head and you're then going along, you're thinking like, seems too good to be true here. I'm like, and you don't want to waste your time either, do you?
Now
as
I
a customer?
do think you can actually, when they do reserve it, you can take the reserve off. But you think of a dealership, and we're talking the car boys now, they probably have 10 or 15 reserved each day.
Yeah.
They've then got to check, they've then got to ring that customer up, check that customer out, and then either to take it off or not take it off.
Because again, like you say, the dealer across the road that sort of
Yeah.
is
Our
looking at-
Autotrader's trying to do everything.
Yeah, I think they've just got it completely wrong. And I think the other problem is the one of the directors then came out and said we're looking after our customers, and didn't actually think about actually the people that are paying our wages is the dealers, and the dealers don't really want this because it doesn't work.
And a little rumour is, are they also for the privilege of that taking a 1/4% commission?
Possibly. I
I'm
didn't
not
know
sure,
that, yeah.
but I think I picked up on some of the blogs that they are going to do. So are they going to basically try and do the Amazon effect?
Yeah, yeah.
Trying to do that. Now you're putting yourself on shaky grounds there, because you've probably got bigger companies like your Apples, your Googles and that lot. I'll look at that market and go, they're making that amount of money, what can we do?
Yeah.
Do for that?
Yeah. I've heard whispers of something similar actually, that somebody might be doing that, but I'm not going to say anything anymore. Amazon. So yeah. Anyway, so let us know in the
One
comments.
day, Chaz, can you turn a motor over round in one day?
No,
It's not going to happen then, is it?
no. Doesn't. It's not. It's
But
not
there will
gonna
be, it does open yourself for another platform to come along and do
Yeah.
something like that as well. And because of the costs, and when I found out how much it was, it's frightening the amount of dealers are
work.
having
We'd
to
just
pay.
close down, wouldn't we? What, you couldn't afford to do it.
No,
And I think
all
that's
what you'd have to do is make videos for like YouTube and make an edit yourself all the time, wouldn't you?
Can you imagine doing that?
No, not really. If you enjoyed the video, let us both know what you actually think of it, if it's going to come, what you think the future is along that way of the marketing. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.
Thanks for watching.